The Israeli government has attempted to ban Noam Federman from his home in Hebron and all of Judea and Samaria. Shalom to Noam Federman.
Hello, shalom.
So after much disappointment and struggle, you have received some good news today from the courts. What exactly happened?
Yeah, it's a little light in all the darkness that we see those days, not only here in the Peace House in Hebron and in all the treatment to the right-wing people and to the religious people. Yes, today the court has decided a very important decision that what happened here in this place just a month ago, and to the people that doesn't know, I will make a brief of what happened. Months ago, in the middle of the night, 1:30 in the morning, hundreds of policemen from all kinds of SWATs, like the SWAT itself, like other units for the border police, 600 policemen attacked our house with my wife and 9 kids, and arrested me, claiming that I attacked policemen, and then they destroyed the house. Not only the house itself, I mean the walls. They got inside with hammers and they smashed everything, computers. They threw holy books on the floor. Mezuzot they broke, everything that they could. They just broke, and then the big things like the closets and the beds and ovens and refrigerator, they brought a big tractor and they smashed the house on all those things. And of course we stayed without our house, me and my family. And there's another family here, the Tor family. They have 4 kids. They did almost the same to them. And since this day, I'm here with my kids and other people that are coming to here, and the authorities didn't like it, and they went to court, asking the court to exile me out of Judea and Samaria, claiming that when the policemen came, I attacked them and I broke a leg of a policeman. I wish it was like this, and they tried to exile me. Now the first court refused to do so, so they made an appeal to the district court. And after a few days, today the district court gave a decision, a very important decision, that all was done here was illegal. I mean, illegal in the way that they came. They came, as I said, 1:30 in the morning. The judge said this is not a behavior of a country, of a state. A state cannot come in the middle of the night without warnings, even though that maybe he means me. I'll be against it, and I'll do my best to prevent it. This is not a way that a country should behave. He said on himself, I'm as a judge, I decide to put people in jail. For many years, I didn't give any time a decision in the middle of the night. I gave it in the morning or in the noon, in the light, and not like they did it. And now he said he gave he criticized a lot all what happened here. He criticized the warrant that was given, that saying that this is a a closed army area. He said, why should it be like this? And they claimed, the state claimed that because they have to protect the Kiryat Arba citizens. So he said, the judge, Noam Federman, he's not the enemy, he's not a terrorist. He won't attack Kiryat Arba residents. As a matter of fact, if the terrorist will come, he will be the first that will defend Kiryat Arba.
Now, for many years already, you and your supporters have attacked various abuses in the judicial system. Do you think what we're seeing is the start of a new era, or just one judge with one decision?
One judge with one decision. We pray every day, 3 times a day. השיבה שופטינו כבראשונה ויועצינו כבתחילה. Please God, bring back our good judges that are ruling according to the Jewish law and not according to Israeli law that is built from the German law and from the American law and from the English law and from the German law and from India law. This is not a Jewish law. Jewish law is something else, and we pray that there will be here a system that goes according to the Bible and not according to other views. And today there was a decision like this. It doesn't mean that it will stay like this, because I'm sure that when Ehud Barak gave a statement to the press that he is ordering the prosecution to appeal, they will appeal to the Supreme Court. And we all know who's sitting there, all the leftist judges that gave a decision about the new house in Hebron, that even though it was bought with money, Jews cannot stay there. We all know who is there, and I won't be surprised if the decision will be cancelled.
Now I understand you attempted to become a lawyer, where that didn't work out. What's going on with that?
Okay, this is another story. I studied law a few years ago, and I went to do a stage, and then the assistant of general attorney, the attorney Shai Nitzan, asked the bar, the lawyers bar, not to accept me because he claimed that I'm a criminal. Now they invited me to a special committee to see if there is something in what he said, and I probably gave wrong information to the bar. Now, what Shai Nitzan made is he gave an order to make against me a new trial, accusing me of incitement before the disengagement agreement. When there was the disengagement agreement, I said very tough things, that we should not go and give the other cheek to the people that come to throw us out of our houses. And this, according to the Israeli law, it's an incitement. So he claimed that now, because there is a new trial about things that was spoken 3 years ago in the disengagement, I cannot be a lawyer. And the bar committee accepted his claim. I appealed against it to the court, and as a matter of fact, I went to what's called a religious judge that lives in Gush Etzion. His name is Noam Solberg, not Noam Federman, Noam Solberg. And he, even though that you all say that he's a right wing and he's religious, he was very afraid of the prosecution. And at the end, he took his head down and he said, "What can I do? You cannot be a lawyer till the end of the trial." And we all know that trials doesn't finish in 1 day, not 2 days. It takes a lot of time. So till the end of the trial, I'm suspended.
All right, Noam Federman, thank you very much for joining us.
Bye bye.